What's up guys, this is OneUX1 and today we're talking about UX design as an experience. What does it look like? So I'm using these two examples. So two keyboards, one by Apple and one by Logitech for Windows. Now what is the difference in the user experience of these two? This is what I want to talk about to give you an understanding what user experience design is all about. So what do we look at? We look at how useful something is. So which one of these is more useful to the user? That's the color, the size, the number of buttons. How usable is it? So this one is very compact and sleek. The battery compartment is very convenient. Here you've got traditional battery layout, very bulky, very big and very noisy. And this one, actually connected, it's very light on the touch. So useful, usable and delightful. Which one's more delightful? I think you can guess. I'd say this one's more delightful. The colors, it's silvers and whites. This is dull black. And so there's the three things we look at. Useful, usable, delightful is one of the ways of seeing a user experience from a user's point of view. Now you'd be surprised how many people don't think about that when they build a website or an app. That do users actually like the color scheme? Do they like the black? Do they like this? Do they see that from the user's point of view that what would a user buy? Which one would they buy? Which app would they download? Which website would they use on a regular basis? These are things that people ignore and they don't pay attention to. So when we're looking at user experiences, what we want to do is look at defects. What are the problems? So that's part of the UX process of where we do user research. So we'd ask users, what do you think of this? And they'd say, well, I don't like the colors. It's too bulky. I don't understand what this button means. So that's user research. That's the first part of the UX process and the UX research process. So you want to discover the problem. What is the problem with this? How can we make it better like this or a different design? So you look for defects. So that's one area that you're going to research. You interview users, you test it. And then you also want enhancements. Say, well, how would we make this better? How can we improve this? And they'll say, well, make it slimmer. Make it one battery instead of two. That's all the user experience and that's how we enhance the products. The same we do with a business. Take an app and we'll say, right, okay, well, what did you find difficult? Did you find what you were looking for? Were you able to navigate this app easily? Did it take you long? And we measure that time as well. Same with this. Is this something suitable for someone who's going to sit on a computer for 10 hours a day or not? Are they going to get RSI? Are they going to get repetitive strain injuries? All these things are part of building user experience. And in the websites, what we do is we say, well, if it's going to take them too long to use this app, then are they going to use it? Are they going to use it regularly? Are they going to go back to it on a daily or weekly basis? So all these things we measure to make sure that this product ends up and improves. Now you don't have to copy, but you can benchmark, i.e. you compare the two, do competitor analysis to see which one is better, which one's not better. And then that way we can see that, you know, we're going in the right direction. Now, you can copy ideas and we call that benchmarking, where we take ideas from others and then we use those to improve our own product. But you don't want to be the same. You want your own brand, your own identity. That's really important. If we don't have identity, then we can't have a successful product. So that's really what UX design is about. It's about discovering the problem, thinking of a solution, ideating it, testing it, and then coming up with a much better solution than what you had before. And that leads to satisfied users. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, follow and like this channel and download the links to UX research and UX design and UX design portfolios so you can get into the career that you really want. I'm here to help you. This is OneUX1 and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you guys.